it hard to feel peace of mind? Do you find it challenging to follow the known techniques of gaining peace of mind? If yes, then watch this video till the end. Namaste, I'm Rakhi Roy Haldar, mother of a loving daughter, a college teacher, a life skill coach, a writer, nature lover, believer in quantum and universal energy, reborn from extremely stressful situations of life, and created Stress-Free Lifestyle Hub. I'm in a mission to help working professionals of 20 to 40 years age group facing stress due to low self-esteem, low productivity, and life dissatisfaction. As mind is the hub of stress, so I help people gaining peace of mind with the help of the tools and the concepts of quantum science and Eastern philosophy. Today, I'm going to speak about the reason of losing peace of mind. Peace of mind is something which generates from within. If we lose peace of mind, that means there is something wrong that has entered in our emotional body. Emotional body is the third layer of body. In this one physical body, we have 4 more layers, and the problems or issues related to peace of mind is actually related to third layer, that is sustained by mind. Our 5 sense organs are like gateways through which the external factors enter in our mind. If we don't have the habit to examine our thoughts and desires, if we don't understand the nature of our thoughts and desires, and if we don't know that from where some specific thoughts and desires have generated in us, whether it has been generated by our inner self or it has been generated by external factors, then we are definitely putting our mind at risk. Actually, we need to place sensors powered by real knowledge on our 5 sense organs so that any external factor could only get entry by filtration, only get entry in our mind by filtration. If any negative factor gives rise to such thoughts and desires in us which are not aligned with our inner self or which clashes with humanity, then definitely we are going to face the loss of peace of mind. Actually, one more thing happens. The persons also become victim of someone's faulty desires and thoughts. And in such case, the victim loses the peace of mind. In both the cases, knowing the secrets of body, mind, and quantum world can help in getting back the peace of mind. If you are interested in such topic, then join my VIP Facebook group. If you are interested in knowing more about quantum world, then you can book 30 minutes free one-to-one session with me. The links are given in description, and like, share, and subscribe my channel for updates.